Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of Fenty makeup. I bought Fenty makeup on Cyber Monday. I was looking at Sephora, then I just decided to go to Fenty.com and went to their beauty section. Took about a week for the shipment to arrive after ordering directly from Fenty's website. And if you haven't already, I also purchased workout clothes from Fenty, so you can see that in my other video. Here's the box, so I'm just gonna take them out randomly. These are the Blurring Skin Tint Ease Drop. This is the tone I got, 6. So when I was buying these, for some reason I thought I needed cooler colors. Sometimes I buy makeup and it's like too warm or too dark, so I wanted something to balance that out. Here's the packaging. It's kind of like a diamond shape. These are the Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint. Comes out by squeezing it. Looks like a really nice creamy color. It definitely has a blurring effect where it feels like it kind of fills in all your pores. So I'm excited to try this. This might be a good thing to put underneath your foundation. Next is this Brow MVP. This invisibly shapes and sets with flexible hold, built-in brush for effortless styling. I always do my eyebrows no matter what before I leave the house, and I wanted to try something different, so I'm excited. So this is pretty much a jumbo pencil. Comes with a little brush, so you can easily just brush your brows up or down or whatever you need to do. Oh, this is the wax, so that's why it's called universal. So this is a clear one, kind of like the Anastasia brow freeze, but it's in a pen form, and I believe you just kind of put it on your brow, take the brush, and then brush it up. So it's kind of like a pomade for your brows, I guess. It's just to give it some shape. Okay, so here is the Instant Hydration Soft Silk Finish Extended Makeup Wear. This is Soft Silk Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. My pores have been like showing a lot lately, so I just want to fill those in a little bit. So, oh, okay, that just pops up, and then it's like a pump form, and it comes out like a cream. Oh my gosh, it feels incredible. It's almost like a lighter Vaseline. Super hydrating, very luminous. Like you can see the difference. This one, it looks way more hydrated than this hand. Wow, I'm so excited to try this. So I think you put this on after your sunscreen. Very light fragrance, so there's a little bit of a perfume scent there, but it feels really good. So I'm super excited to try this tomorrow morning. Then I got the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. And I got this in Fussy. Has a very large applicator and kind of like a candy fragrance to it. I already have a ton of lip gloss on, but I'll just try it over for fun. Yeah, it really smells like candy. It's like bringing me back to my childhood. Very glossy, very smooth, not sticky at all. Now I have the Bright Fix Eye Brightener in Seashell. I swear, some of these packaging is so hard to get off. So you just squeeze a little bit out. Oh my God, it's so pigmented. You can see, it's very creamy. Has a ton of pigment, and I think this is gonna just create like a really nice dewy base. So I have drier skin, and I love when I feel products are more hydrating. So you can see it's pretty light, so I'll see if that matches my skin tone, but I love the viscosity of it. I love the feeling of it. I think that it's gonna be really good for drier skin, which I'm super excited about. That's kind of what I was looking for. Now I have the Snap Shadows by Rihanna, super rich color, easy to blend, palette, snap together, pair your fave. So this is just gonna be an eyeshadow palette, and I think it's a bunch of minis, and I just wanted to try out the eyeshadow in an easy way. 3 of them are shimmery, 3 are matte. I'm really bad at doing eyeshadow. I don't even know why I buy eyeshadow palettes. I feel like I'm always trying to find something that looks good. Lately, I'm kind of just doing eyeliner, mascara, and no eyeshadow. I'm excited to try those out. They're good to have if you're going out or want to do something a little different. Now I have the Vamps Who Brunch. So this was kind of a last minute purchase. It's a very different color for me. Here's the lipstick applicator. It's got that same diamond shape. But look at that. I have no idea what this is gonna look like, but I wanted to get something different and I thought it was fun. So we'll see if I can pull this off. Then I got the Enchanted Stunna Lip Paint. So this is another lip color, but this one is supposed to be way more pigmented. So it's kind of this coral color. It looks like a nail polish applicator. Oh wow, yeah. It's gonna be so pigmented. So I think this is gonna be a fun color in the summer. You can see it's kind of like a pinky coral color. And then I got Lavender Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. So the lavender, I think, counteracts some of the warmth in your skin. It has this cute little puff pad. And this is the mini size. All the packaging's so cute. I love all the packaging. So now this is the Brow MVP in black brown. I've been using the Anastasia brow pencil and I really love Anastasia. I'm using the medium brown or dark brown. Whenever I try a new line, I like to get all the products that I use on a daily basis and then just compare them to what I have been using. If anything seems like it does a better job, then I'll just end up buying that, but otherwise I'll stick to whatever I like better. So you can see this is a very fine tip. I like that you don't have to sharpen it. And then it has a cute little brush on the end. So cute. It's like an actual brush like you would have for your hair. Adorable. I will try this out tomorrow. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. It says to shake well. Super pigmented. Oh my gosh, so much pigment in there. So it kind of feels creamy and soft. It feels a lot more pigmented than this one does. I'll have to play with that and see if it's too pigmented for my skin. Last but not least, I have the Matchstick Crayon. And this is in Mocha. This is the contour stick. I kind of like stick form because it's easy to travel with and it's easy to do. You don't need another brush for it. This one feels really blendable. So that is my Fenty unboxing. I try to show you the products a little bit, but subscribe and I will post more about these products as I use them. I'll probably do some shorts about it just so that you can see what it looks like when you apply it. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will be posting regularly and I will see you next time.